Hey guys, have you used the phrase I wish I knew? I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. Sorry. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to sing. But anyway, one of the things that I wished I knew early on about the stock market is how to paper trade. Paper trading allows us to learn how to invest in the stock market without using your real money. I personally use TD Ameritrade to teach because it has the option feature, but there are others out there. You can use the same username and password that you have for TD Ameritrade to log into Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is TD Ameritrade's paper trading platform. Once you're logged into Thinkorswim, you can start learning how to buy, sell stocks and options using stock market data. There's about a 15-minute delay, but if you're just practicing, then this shouldn't affect you. So now what's your excuse for not learning how to invest? You cannot say that you don't have money because you don't need money to practice on this platform. By the time you learn the basics of the stock market, hopefully by then you'll have enough money saved up so you can put your education into action. My goal is to teach about the investing tools that I found helpful in the stock market. The most lucrative, in my opinion, is options because it allows me to earn money even before I buy any stocks. I'll use Google as an example, and please do not take this as a financial advice to buy or sell Google. I'm just using it to illustrate my point. Currently, Google is selling for $89 per share, which means if I want to buy one stock of Google today, I'll have to pay $89. But if I have enough money to pay for 100 shares of Google, what I can do instead is make a promise to buy Google at a lower price and I will get paid for that promise. If I make a promise today to buy Google at $85 per share within the next 35 days, then I will get paid between $157 to about $194 for making that promise. And this is before I buy the stocks. I'm here to help you learn this process in a simulated environment. Start your investing journey today. Watch this next video about making your money work for you.